If your vacuum won't turn on, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. First, examine the power cord for any damage, such as cuts, abrasions, or frayed areas. If the damage is minor and only affects the outer layer of the cord, you can temporarily repair it with tape. However, if the damage is more extensive or the prongs are loose or missing, it's best to replace the cord altogether. Next, check the electrical system by ensuring the power source is functioning properly. Try plugging the vacuum into a different socket to rule out any issues with the power outlet. Additionally, make sure the plug is securely connected to the socket. It's also possible that the vacuum is clogged with dust and debris, which can cause it to overheat and shut down. Check the filters, hoses, tubing, and suction head for any blockages and clean them out as needed. Allow the vacuum to cool down before attempting to turn it on again. By following these simple steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your vacuum.